Good morning, children. Today, in the topic of water, we will discuss about conservation of water. First of all, we must know what is meant by conservation. Conservation means to save something for future use. But the question arises, why should we have to conserve water? Because we all know approximate 70% of our earth surface is covered with water. But as we all know, 90% of that water is present in the form of oceans, which is highly saline and cannot be used directly. So we are left with 3% water which can be used. And out of that 3%, only 0.03% water is available for direct use because remaining 2.97% water is present either in the form of glaciers or in the form of water vapors, which we can't use directly. So we need to conserve water. Some other uses, some other reasons for the conservation is because very less amount of water is present for the direct use, and groundwater level is continuously decreasing very fast because of the increase in population, because of the increase in the number of people for using water. With the increase of population, water demand is increasing, but the conservation is required. As the number of factories increases, again more water is used and replenished water is very less. So we need to conserve water. Even water is available, but we are getting polluted water because of many factors like discharge of sewage, chemicals from factories. All these are continuously polluting the water. So we need to conserve water. Because of its overuses, we all are feeling the scarcity of water. If we want to survive on earth, we have to conserve water. Now, the number of ways by which we can conserve water. Some ways which I am telling you. First of all, do not leave the tap running while brushing or washing your clothes. Second, always check your overhead tanks that should be leak free. That means if there is leakage, we must operate it time. Reuse of water should be made, like after washing the vegetables, pulses, rice, we can use that water in our kitchen garden. Also, industrial water can be recycled and reused so that scarcity of water can be overcome. Drip irrigation method used for irrigation, it helps in saving water. And we also follow rainwater harvesting technique for domestic purpose so that we can get water at the time of necessity. And last but not least, plant more trees so that absorption of water by the soil increases and help in increasing the groundwater level. These are the some ways by which we can conserve water. Thank you, children.